start off with the basic 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, one of the signature. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is some of our disarms. Okay. Some of our signature disarms. So again. So I had a request earlier that I show a little bit of the footwork that we do. Now one of the reasons I do that is because so I can't get kicked in the groin. Right? Another reason when I come in and do that, okay, is because I want to do a takedown. Okay. So anyway, this is the sarong. Okay. It's actually a traditional Filipino weapon. They call it a mawang. Two, hook snaring. Locking the choke. Okay. Okay. You can go directly into the choke. All right. You can turn and go into the choke this way. I guess what we call blazing is we start off with what I call a desensitivity drill. Okay. Some of you know it as knife tap, right? Okay. That's what we're going to do this step. Okay. Now we're going to do a double clear. Alright, so we're going to do, okay, we got done with the drill. And the purpose of that drill was just, here, again, here's my count. Here. Okay, reverse grip. Okay. Here's my count. We're back. No time. Alright, so it's that time of day. Karambit time. Alright. So, this is a karambit, right? Here, okay. Don't do this, okay, because you just wind up cutting your thumb off. Okay. So from here, okay, as it bites, I'm going to shoot this way. Okay.